Hello everyone, today we will be calculating the basic calculations of Microsoft Excel, and it can be divided into 3 stages. Now you need to click into the empty cell where you need to see the answer. In the empty cell you've created in front of the where you need to see the answer, you put equal sign. From this stage, the calculator to activate the program is already activated. There, I can start putting in the formulas, and this can be done in several ways. For example, I can type these numbers using the keyboard. I will type equal sign is 46 plus 21. I will click on enter button to get the answer. In this step, I've got 3 necessary stages, and at first stage, it is insert an equal sign, 2 is enter the formula, and 3 press the enter key. If you want to make changes to the formula, just click on the left part of the mouse in the selected cell of the formula.